Hey guys, so here you're looking at a Soft Gloss Max 5, and the RIKO means it's Ryko. If you're wondering why we're doing this, if we're going there, it's because the car is filled with bugs again. I'll take you a closer look before we go in. And there is one up here too, so this is going to be a fun one. So let's go ahead and do these real quick to get rid of some bugs. And it's, I don't know what's happening here.
It didn't light up yet. It's still washing his car.
It's drying at first.
Yeah, we just gotta wait. It'll light up. Enter your code. Yeah,
and now it says enter wash slowly.
Yeah.
Get ready, everybody, because this one's gonna be fun.
Okay. Sorry about the code.
There we go. Finally red pink again. Here we go, guys.
It smells good.
Smells like bubblegum. Finally pink again. Update, this one has a new chemical in there. And I'll be very quiet, guys. You can see that. And it also turns green when the stuff gets washed off. I can't see.
That's right.
I'm not going to use the wipers due to brushes. This should get rid of the bugs off. Okay. Rinse. Rinse. What the? That is lava. F on that one. It's like their chemical might have ran out. Yeah, it doesn't smell like anything anymore. All there is just fresh water.
Rain shield.
Rain shield, the surface sealant. It smells like kind of like a, wow. wait! Here we go, guys.
Okay.
Fogged up our window. Uh-oh.
What?
Oh, crap! I think I really made a mistake.
What happened?
Darn it! Hold on.
What happened?
I'll explain that later once we are out of the dryers. Mistake, guys. Well, I was busy trying to do. Well, I was busy making a video of this. One thing I made a mistake, guys. The window was cracked down a little bit, and I totally forgot to roll it up again.
I thought I rolled them all up.
How the heck?
Oh well, we gotta push the mirrors out.
All right, let's
jump out and push the mirrors out.
See how it did? It seems like this car wash is the winner so far, guys. But when I roll the window down, spots have formed, but that's a common issue. But let's get some air in here.
Yeah.
But I just discovered that right towards the end of the wash, I made a little mistake, guys. Guys, this is my first time this is the first time that ever happened. So, we'll see what we can do when we get back. Guys, I want to show you something.
Look at all the water left from the rains in winter and the snow melt. We might see some of those white birds. I love seeing those big white birds.
You see that? You see that river right there, guys? It says Winnie Levy Road.
Levy. West Levy.
E. Levy Road. That's
West, East Levy. West Levy. There's one of those white birds over there. I like seeing those big cranes. Look at the water. It's all
and there's
over
a
the rains. Here
hill.
comes some ducks.
And got a little bit of water. I did not have time to enter my code, guys, because because I did not have time for I did not have time to record, so
Look at this house here. He gets so much water. Look at Cameron. Over here. Look at Look at that house. He gets water right in his yard. He gets water right in his yard.
yeah, it's pretty cool.
It's too high. The water's too high.
By the way, thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel, by the way. My name is Cami, and I am... And please excuse my real name, although I don't say that. Grandpa, don't say that, okay?
No.
Oh, we're turning. Oh, we're finishing. I want to show you guys one cool feature about this country. This is not country roads.
Take me home.
We're recently I listened to a song called "Take Me Home, Country Roads" by John Denver. I sing this at school too, and I really like it. Well, guys, that's pretty cool, huh? Okay, just want to show you guys a really cool feature about this country. So thank you. There's some more right here.
Oh, that's the rice fields.
Oh, it's the rice field.
They flooded the fields to grow rice.
Once I get back home, I'm gonna show you guys how that happened. Just a little bit. So there's no water, and there's some that has water. There you go, guys. There's some more right here. It's really like right here. It's just a little pond. Got this while I bought the car wash.
How's it taste?
This is freezing. I have to cherry.
Tastes pretty good, huh?
I also want to show you guys, make an extended video. Well, there you go, guys. Well, I got to see what happened here. Well, it got clean. I'll get to that later. Recently, oh yeah. Yeah, we'll wipe that out, but I'm gonna see. Oh, I got it all wet. Shoot. Gosh, the seat is all.
Let me see.
Seat is all soaked. The seat is all wet. The window's up. Oh gosh, guys.
Dry. We'll get some rags here.
Gosh, we need to put something on it. Let me finish my video. Lights work. Ay, 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 guys. Yeah, this one smells like bubblegum. Gosh, guys, that was a close one. Well, Yeah, we. Well, there you go, guys. Sorry, guys. Well, guys. Okay. Okay, so overall, I would like to rate that wash a 10 out of 10. This wash did a fantastic job. Got rid of the bugs and all that. Everything got clean. But one thing I would like to tell you guys, is one time the window was cracked during the wash, and it sprayed like water drops on there, and it even got the seat all wet. It smells good. It smells pretty clean, but that's not good. So, that's it, everybody. So, thanks for watching and have a great day.